Hello everyone, welcome to CMS Digital Classrooms. Today we are going to learn about the next topic of your chapter, which is related to the division of fractions. Okay, division of fractional numbers. So here in the up to the last topic which we have learned about the reciprocal of number. So reciprocal we have learned as like the reciprocal of 3. If I say then it is 1 by 3. If I am saying reciprocal of 1 by 4, then 4. Means after multiplying these two numbers, if the product is come 1, then that is the reciprocal of the number. If in case of fractional number, suppose this is 4 by 7, reciprocal of 4 by 7 will be 7 by 4. Why? Because when you multiply this, the answer will come 1. So this is the things which we have learned till now. Last topic which we have learned about. Because why I have explained this? Because this will help in this concept, the division of fractional numbers and whole numbers. Okay. So here we will take one example of divisions of fractional numbers. Okay. For example, it is asking divide 4 by 9 by 3. Okay. Divide 4 by 9 by 3. So this is the question. This is the question. 4 by 9 you have to divide by 3. So the basic concept of division you have to keep in mind. Whatever the number you are dividing, in case of division, whenever you will change the sign of division into multiplication, you have to write the reciprocal of that number. So here reciprocal of 3 will be multiplied. So here we know we have 4 by 9 divided by 3. So this you can write it as 4 by 9 multiply the reciprocal of 3. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Okay. So now we know, after this we know the multiplications, that numerator will be multiplied with numerator, denominator will be multiplied with denominator. So here 4 multiply 1 divided by 9 multiply 3. So 4 multiply 1 is 4 and 9 multiply 3 is 27. So 4 divided by 27 will be the required answer of this division. Okay. So very simply हम लोग को ये चीज कंसेप्ट बहुत अच्छे से समझना है कि रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है, और जब भी आप डिवीजन से मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट चेंज करते हो, सो वी यूज टू राइट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द number. Okay, so this concept you have to keep in mind. So this is how we can solve. You can take few more examples as like 6 by 8, 6 by 8, 6 divided by 8 by 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 8 by 2. Suppose 6 divided by 8 by 2. So this is the division which you want to do. So in this case also we will see the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So 6 divided by 8, 6 by 8 divided by 2. This is the question which we have. Okay, this is the question which we have. So now we can write it as 6 divided by 8 multiply 1 by 2. So now here why we have taken this example, if first thing here you have to check if you can reduce this into lowest fractions, or if you cut any way you have to reduce this. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So you know. Okay, so here it will be 3 multiply 1 divided by 8 multiply 1. So it will be 3 divided by 8. So 3 divided by 8 will be the required answer. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ध्यान में रखना है कि अगर इस यहाँ पे हम लोग रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं या कुछ कट कर सकते हैं, then you have to cut it and you have to reduce into the lowest fractions. Okay, so this is how we can divide any fractional number by a whole number. Now another thing we will see, division of whole number by fractional number. See, this is the difference between, यहाँ पे हम लोग ने देखा division of fractional number by whole number. Now we will see division of whole number by a fractional number. So this is the different thing. One is fractional number divided by whole number. Here whole number divided by fractional number. Okay. Suppose here we can take 10 by 2 divided by 3. So 10 by 2 divided by 3. Suppose this is the question you want to divide. So in this case also the same thing we will do. Either we will write the reciprocal of this or reciprocal of this. Anyone reciprocal. This is the reciprocal we will write, that will be better. So here we have is 10 divided by 2 by 3. So here you have to change this. You have to write the reciprocal of this and you can change the sign. So then this will become 10 multiply the reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. So 3 divided by 2. Okay. So now you check once, can you reduce this into or can you cut it? So yes, 2 1 are 2, 5 2 are 10. Okay, because this is nothing in the denominator, so you can write this and 1. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 लिख सकते हो, but इसको इसके साथ कट कर सकते हो. So 5 न्यूमरेटर में बजाय 5 multiply 3, denominator में 1 multiply 1. So 5 3 are 15 will be the required division of this number. Okay, तो इस तरह से ये 15 आ जाएगा इसका आंसर. तो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट चीज हम लोग को यहीं पे ध्यान रखना है कि इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है, और ये चीज समझने वाला बात है कि जहां पे भी रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं यू हैव टू कट इट एंड रिड्यूस इनटू द लोएस्ट टर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकंड केस व्हेन डिवीजन ऑफ होल नंबर्स बाय ए फ्रैक्शनल नंबर. तो जब था फ्रैक्शंस बाय ए होल नंबर तो हम लोग तब भी वही कर रहे थे, इसका रेसिप्रोकल चेंज कर रहे थे, और इस केस में भी हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल चेंज कर रहे हैं. और अगर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो है कि डिविजन्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर बाय फ्रैक्शनल नंबर, so in that case also we will check the fractional, we will change the reciprocal of the second terms only. Okay, so let's take some examples of divisions of fractional number by fractional number. So the third thing which we need to know about the division of fractional number by fractional number. So जब फ्रैक्शनल नंबर को फ्रैक्शनल नंबर से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, then what we will do is, so suppose here 10 by 21, 10 divided by 21 by 2 divided by 3. So 2 divided by 3. So this is the thing which we want to divide. This is the question. This you have to divide by this. So now for this, very simply we will just convert the reciprocal of this one only. So we have 10 divided by 21, 10 by 21 divided by 2 by 3. So we will change the reciprocal of this and write the multiplication sign. So 10 by 21 multiplication sign, the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, so now check if you can cut it. So 2 1 are 2, 5 2 are 10. So 3 1 are 3, 3 9 are 3 7 are 21. 3 7 are 21. So in the numerator it is 5 multiply 1. The denominator it is 7 multiply 1. So 5 divided by 7 will be the required answer of this division. So this is the case of when you want to divide fractional number by fractional number. So these are the three basic cases of dividing. So all the three cases are nearby same. Okay, in this case also we have to change first into the reciprocal of that number, and then we have to reduce if you can into the lowest term, and then whatever the answer will come, that will be the answer in this case also and in this case also. Okay, so I hope you can understand these three basic concept behind the division of fractional numbers. So let us discuss some questions related to the exercise 6.5. So first we have taken 5 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 1 by 2. So if it is in mixed fraction, first you have to convert into improper fractions. So converting into improper fractions, this will be 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2 divided by 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 by 2. So this is the required number we will get. Now for dividing this, we will convert this into reciprocal of this number, so it will be 11 by 2. Now sign we will change into multiplication and reciprocal of this will be used. So 2 divided by 3. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 2 1 and 2, 2 1 and 2. So the number left will be 11 multiply 1 divided by 1 multiply 3. Or you can write directly answer also without writing these all steps. That 11 1 are 11 divided by 3 1 are 3. So 11 by 3 means you have to write this into mixed fraction. So 3 3 are 9. So 3 3 are 9. 9 9 11. So 2. So 3 whole 2 by 3, right? 3 whole 2 by 3 will be the required answer of this division. Okay. So this is how you can solve the rest of all questions of exercise 6.5 by yourself. Let's discuss some word problems also related to the division of fractional numbers. See, to solve mathematics there are several lots of process, but we should use the easiest method or easiest process to solve any question. So here also the question is like that only. The product of two numbers are given and one number is given, so you have to find the other number. So अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आता है, so first you have to relate this question with some smaller value. So if you relate this question with some smaller value, the question will become, suppose the product of two number is 10. Suppose I am asking the product of two number is 10. दो नंबर है जिसका प्रोडक्ट 10 है और वन अगर नंबर है वो 2 है, तो अदर नंबर क्या होगा ये आपको निकालना है. तो आप वेरी इजीली बता सकते हो कि 5 होगा, क्योंकि आपको पता है 5 to 10, राइट. बट कैसे हम लोग ने निकाला वो आपको पता नहीं है. तो वो कैसे पता करेंगे? मान लेते हैं ये नंबर हम लोग का x है, ठीक है. तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई x इज इक्वल टू 10. तो अब x का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो हम लोग ने इसको क्या किया? डिवाइड किया. तो ये जो बेसिक कांसेप्ट है डिवाइड करने का, 5 to 10 so x इज इक्वल टू 5. तो यहां पे 5 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So this is the basic concept behind it. ये एक इसका बेसिक कंसेप्ट है कि इस तरह से हम लोग निकालते हैं. तो अब हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि ये जो नंबर है इस नंबर को भी इस तरह से हम कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये चेक करने के लिए ये जो एक टर्म दिया हुआ है ये टर्म डिवाइड करेंगे, ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, ठीक है. तो वही सेम चीज यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज दिस. शो first the product is equal to 2 whole 4 by 7. So 2 whole 4 by 7 is equal to how much? If you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then how much will be? 7 to 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 divided by 7. So product of those two number is given 18 divided by 7 and one number is given 5 by 7. So one number is that one of them is one number is equal to 5 divided by 7. So एक number 5 divided by 7 दिया हुआ है. So to find out other number, what we will do is we will divide this by this. Okay. So therefore other number is equal to 18 by 7 divided by 5 by 7. Okay. So now if you want to change this division sign into multiplication sign, in case of division also you will do the multiplication only, but with the reciprocal of this number. So it will be 18 divided by 7 multiply 7 divided by 5. So here 7 7 will be cancelled and the answer will be 18 divided by 5. So 18 divided by 5 means if you convert this into mixed fraction, how much? 5 5 5 4 20 5 3 5 3 are 15. So if you convert this into mixed fraction, it will be 3 15. 15 plus how much is 18? 3, right? So 3 whole 3 by 5. 3 whole 3 by 5 will be the required other number, another number. तो यहाँ पे एक नंबर 5 by 7 दिया हुआ है, तो another number will be 3 whole 3 by 5. So this is how you can solve the word problems of question number 1 of exercise 6.6. So next question is, suppose in a class the fees of each student is collected 1/4 rupees, and total fees collection is this much. So you have to find that how much total students has given the fees or how much total students are there. So इसको भी हम लोग एक बहुत इजी एग्जांपल्स के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. For example, we are organizing some functions and we are collecting 10 rupees from each student. 10 rupees we are collecting from each student, and our total collection is 120 rupees. So total collection is 120 rupees, and we want to see that how many students has given the fees. Okay. So then what we will do is we will just divide this by 10. So if you divide this by 10, so 0 will cancel, 12 will be the answer. That means 12 students has given the fee. So here also we will do the same. We will divide by the total amount and the amount given by each student. Okay. So here also we will find by the same amount. So in word problems you try to write some words. Okay, in words. So in a class, fees of each student is this much. So fee of each student is equal to 1/4. So if you convert 1/4, that means 4 plus 1 5/4. Okay. So the amount collected was total amount. So total amount total amount is equal to rupees 125. So now if you want to find out the number of students, therefore the number of students is equal to 125 divided by 5/4. The number of, the amount which is given by each students. Okay. So if you divide this, you can convert this into reciprocal of this and use multiplication sign. So 125 multiplied by 4/5. The reciprocal of 5/4 is 4/5. So 5 and this will be cancelled how many times? 5 to 10 and 5 are 25. So 25 times, right? 25 times. So 25 multiply 4 is equal to how much? 100, right? So the total amount, total students given is 100 students. 100 students will be the answer. Okay, that means 100 students total given. Each student given 1/4 rupees, then the answer will come 125. Then the total amount will come 125. So same types of questions we can see this one also. By what number should this be multiplied to get this? That means the product is this one and one number is given this one. It is asking about to find the other number. Okay. So by what number should this be multiplied? तो कितना नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए इसका रिजल्ट ये आता है. ठीक है. इसको आप इस तरह से बोल सकते हो कि by what number, suppose we are taking a simple question. So by what number must 4 be multiplied? By what number must 4 be multiplied so that the answer is coming 8. Okay. So कितना से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करें 4 को कि आंसर 8 आएगा. ठीक है. So we know to, okay, how we have done to, because suppose if you don't know, then we can consider this as ladies, the number is what number is x. So if you divide this by here, it will come 2. So this is how x, the value of x, you can write it as 2. So इस तरह से this is how you can find out the answer of this also. If you want to find out the other number, just you have to divide this number by the other number. Okay. So by what number should this be multiplied to get this? So the required answer we can find out by dividing this and this. So we will write 3 whole 2 by 11 divided by 7 whole 1 by 5. Okay. So first we will convert this fraction into proper fraction. So it will be 11 there 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. So 35 divided by 11 and 5 7 are 35, right? 35 plus 1 is 36. 36 by 5. Okay. Okay. Not an issue. So 3 whole 2 by 11, 7 whole 1 by 5, 5 7 are 35, 36, 11, 33, 35. Okay. So now you have to sense this. So 35 divided by 11 multiply 5 divided by 36. Something is missing. Okay, we have written as per this question it is correct. Okay, as per this question after multiplying this, whatever the result will answer will come, that will be the required answer. 5 multiply 35 and 11 multiply 36, whatever the answer that will be. So इस तरह से अगर सिंपली हम लोग ये बेसिक कंसेप्ट याद रखेंगे कि जिसका अगर प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ है कितना लाने के लिए हम लोग को कितना से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So we will divide this by this. So after dividing this, whatever the answer will come, that will be the required numbers. Question number 5 is there that Rita is purchasing a ribbon of total this much of length, and after that she is dividing into 5 pieces of equal length. So you have to find the length of each pieces. What will be the length of each piece? Definitely we will divide this. Okay. So to find out the length of each pieces, we will divide it. So therefore, length of each pieces is equal to the total length. So total length is 8 whole 1 by 2 divided by 5. Okay. So let's consider convert this first in mixed fraction into improper. So 2 8 are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 divided by 2, and directly if you convert this into this division sign multiply, then this reciprocal of this will be 1 by 5. Okay. So the required answer will come 17 1 are 17 divided by 5 2 are 10. So 17 by 10 is in okay, you can convert this into mixed fractions. Okay, so this will be 1 whole 7 by 10. 10 1 are 10 plus 7. So 1 whole to 10 1 whole 7 by 10 meter will be 1 whole 7 by 10 meter will be the length of each pieces. Okay, so that's all about your exercise. So now I hope you can do exercise 6.5 and 6.6 as your homework. So your homework is exercise 6.5 and 6.6. Okay, thank you, have a good time, take care, bye bye.